Hi everyone, today we will have a look at the kitchen TV model AVS240KS. So as you can see, the package is very well made. There are some comfortable handles and the cardboard is multi-layer, so the TV has at its maximum safeness. So we will open it up and have a look what's inside. So here we have the warranty card, the installation guides and some other documentation that you will need in order to install the TV in your kitchen. And here you have, as you can see, a very good and tough layer of foam board that protects the TV when it's on the way. So here we have the inside of the package. There's the TV itself by a very good layer of foam board, and everything that comes with the TV is under it. So we will have a look right now. So in the kit we have the waterproof TV, a remote control with a dock that you put on the wall. The remote control is waterproof and you can splash it but not put it into water for a long time. Also an air remote mouse that you can use in order to regulate the TV in the smart way. The RCA to a mini jack connector. So here we have the comfortable screeds in order to organize the wires in your cabinet, so they connect to the side of your cabinet and lay together so they don't mess up any of your other things that you have in your cabinet. And these, as you can see, are the some nuts and bulbs and some screws for the lifting mechanisms. One kit is for Kessebohmer and Hafele, and the other ones are for Blum. So at the back of the TV we have a comfortable handle in order to open the TV. You can remove it if you want, so it is removable. These holes are used for installation of the lifting mechanisms of different firms, Kessebohmer, Hafele or Blum. So they are located on both sides, on this side as well. So this is the power cable, the AVs cables, 3 of them, the 2 antennas, the HDMI ARC cable, the optical cable, another 2 CECs, the HDMIs and 2 USBs, as well as the earphone cable connector and the CII Plus connection over here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please ask them down below in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.